there! A little bird. Oh, dear. Is it hurt?
Let's see what happened.
It looks hurt. It looks hurt. Will the bird survive?
You did well, honey.
I hope so. What should we do?
First, stay calm.
The bird looks scared.
Yes, it does.
Wow, it's really moving now.
Can we help it? Of course we can. Absent-moi, Sucho.
Yes, but be gentle. Now try to hold him. I found a towel. Good job, Emma. Thank you, Mom.
The bird is very small.
It needs warmth.
Is it hungry?
Maybe, but it needs rest first.
One can't see. I want it to be okay.
That is very kind.
Should we call someone?
Yes, let's call for help. We found an injured bird. Hello? Oh, thank goodness.
They help birds?
That is wonderful.
The bird was safe. The bird was safe.
How are you feeling? Look! It moved!
That is a good sign.
It looks stronger. It looks stronger.
I'm so happy!
I am here to help.
The bird will be okay.
Really? Thank you.
Yes, it has a good chance.
Goodbye, little bird.
Look at that.
You can do it.
We helped the bird.